Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Chrome OS is ready and your presentation file is accessible. Open Settings and enable the Google Play Store. This lets you install the Android PowerPoint app. Sign into the Microsoft account that has PowerPoint access or create a free account so you can edit. Next, upload your existing PPTX to Google Drive or create a new file there. Once done, make sure Drive is syncing. That ensures you can open the file quickly inside the PowerPoint app when you proceed. Now install Microsoft PowerPoint from the Google Play Store and accept the permissions it requests. This gives you native editing features. Open PowerPoint, then choose Open Google Drive to locate your PPTX so layout and fonts remain intact. If fonts look off, switch to Substitute Fonts or upload missing fonts to Drive. Use Auto-Save to OneDrive or save as to backup copies. This keeps versions synchronized across devices. Make sure to test a slide export to confirm images and animations render correctly. Finish by reviewing slide transitions, then export to PDF or MP4 for reliable sharing. Export preserves formatting across platforms. If a slide looks wrong, reopen the same. PPTX in Google Slides to identify whether PowerPoint or file assets caused the issue, and then fix the source element. If the app crashes or behaves oddly, clear the Play Store cache and app cache in Settings, then reinstall PowerPoint. One quick troubleshooting tip. Sign out and back into your Microsoft account to force license and sync refresh before heavy edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.